Direct Henley 8 Charlie 5.
Hi, Dick Rochfort here. This is the
altitude
Piper Meridian. This is
0 Hotel Alpha, turn left heading 230.
230, 500 Hotel Alpha.
500 Hotel Alpha. We're getting a base turn now for an RNAV 13 Yankee approach
American 1358, contact
into
Houston,
San Antonio. As you can see, there's a rain shower there in front of us. Controller advised he'd be turning us ahead of that rain shower, and sure enough. But there's also one over near the final approach course. So we're not concerned about our path. What we want to be sure of is that we don't get vectored through the final approach course over into the more vigorous rain. So we're expecting one more turn outside of Yeebup, and then a clearance for the approach. The power is set, 2900. Let's check on the chart. Here we come. We can go to page 3 now, I think. And now we have vertical.
November 0 Hotel Alpha, 5 miles. Actually,
altitude 200 to go.
160, maintain 3000 until established on the final approach course.
Altitude.
Yankee, runway 13 right approach.
160.
160, maintain 3000 until established, 500 Hotel Alpha.
Go for it.
November 8 Charlie Foxtrot.
Get that button pushed right away. Right away. Yeah, that's it. And you see why. That was a late turn. So we're already capturing, and we don't want to go through because of the radar pain.
Trim in motion. Trim in motion.
That's Betty saying
trim in motion.
She's working hard. It's
trim
okay.
in motion.
All right, so we've captured the final approach course
maintain 6000.
outside of EBUP. We go down to 2800 now. Yes, we could do that as soon as the
altitude 200 to go.
BS at 5 clicks. Right away, no delay.
Contact tower 119.8. Good day.
19.8. Do that now.
19.8, 500 Hotel Alpha. Good day.
Yeah.
3 left at Alpha, ready to
All right, now don't fiddle anymore. You see it's capturing, so we're good to go there.
Echo San Antonio Tower, good morning. Runway 13 left at Alpha, clear for takeoff.
Trim in motion. Trim in motion.
13 left, clear for takeoff, fly heading to 01024 Echo.
San Antonio Tower, Meridian 500 Hotel Alpha, RNAV 13.
Meridian 500 Hotel Alpha, San Antonio Tower, runway 13 right, cleared to land, wind, calm.
Clearly on 13 right, 500
altitude.
Hotel Alpha.
And if you're sure you're going to Millionaire, tell them that now, so we can...
Well, I still
Okay, that's
sure.
right. That's right. Looks to me like we're going to have the fuel we need for the next leg.
Okay.
So,
we're looking for 550.
yeah.
Attention all aircraft, San Antonio information echoes current altimeter 3004, wind calm.
Glides
Station
alive.
information pop is current, New Braunfels Foxtrot.
Quebec Sierra is ready. Go down, gear down, flaps.
Nacho flaps, power 300. Careful not to overshoot.
San Antonio Tower, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff, fly runway
Very
heading,
good.
wind calm, traffic 5 mile, final 150 knots.
Clear to go 13 right, straight out, 5,000.
They're not 150 knots. Slowing to 120. So in the PA-46 Meridian, these approaches are pretty straightforward. There isn't much to do.
Number 24 Echo, just a reminder, 010 on the heading.
We like to cross the final approach fix at the minimum altitude, in this case 2800, at 130 knots. That requires 500 foot-pounds of torque with the aircraft clean and level. And the next thing is the glide path intercept. Once we have that, we put the gear down, put down a notch of flaps, 10 degrees, bring the power to 300 pounds.
0 Hotel Alpha, caution, wake turbulence, G4 departing.
Thank you.
Thank you, 500 Hotel Alpha.
All right, so what that means is we should attempt to land, you know, not short, but within the first 1,000 feet, because he will not have rotated by then.
What did he call it, an MD-80?
I think he said Gulfstream.
Okay. That's still going to be pretty substantial.
No, I mean not if we
Quebec Sierra, contact
not if we do it right.
flight.
In other words, we won't encounter it in the first 1,000 feet, or even the first 2,000 feet. G4, whatever it was, probably. I don't know.
500 go.
So we're looking at 430 pounds this time to keep the 120 knots, but till we have the